Okay guys, now I'm going to show you guys how to do the last example in chapter 3, exercise 3B. So this is the third worked example, and it's pretty much an algebraic equation that has fractions in it, or algebraic fractions, and pretty much the denominators are the same. So you can see that the denominators are 5. So how do we go on about solving this? We're going to have to eventually try and break it down. So the aim is, I'm just going to quickly show you what will happen is, our aim is first we're going to try and eliminate the 5s. Then once we eliminate the 5s, we're going to try and get rid of this. If we get rid of this, that means we've only got x on one side, okay? And then once we get rid of this, we'll get rid of this, then get rid of this. And you'll see it in step by step. So the aim is to eventually get rid of everything until we get x by itself and the answer. Let's get started. So the first thing that we should do is multiply 5 on both sides. So if I multiply 5 on both sides, can you see that we've eliminated the denominator? So our new equation will be 4x minus 3 is equal to 2x plus 9. Now this looks exactly like exercise 3B-2, the previous example that we did. And so our aim is to try and eliminate this, and we'll have only one x on one side. So let's do that. How do we eliminate 2x? Well, I'm going to minus 2x on both sides. So the step that we did was minus 2x on both sides. So let's get that done. 2x take away 2x is 0. So let's start from the left to right. So 4x take away 2x is 2x, and we're left with 2x minus 3. And obviously this is 0, so we're just left with 9. And then I'm just going to rewrite this new equation that we have, okay? Still balanced because we multiply 5 on both sides. We subtracted 2x on both sides. And now what I want to do is add 3 on both sides to eliminate the minus 3. So I'm just going to write plus 3 on both sides. And what's our new equation? We've got 2x is equal to 12, and I know that 2 times something gives me 12 will be 6, so the answer will be 6. But if we had to use the balance method to find x, we would divide. I'm going to just rewrite this question again. We will divide 2 on both sides. So I'm just going to write divide 2 on both sides, and as you can see, this cancels. We're left with x is equal to 6.